What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create filling text like this in Canva PC. So after you created your new design, what you want to do is to go and add the text, so let's do that. Then what you want to do is to make it bigger and you're going to write what you want to use for your text and also center it. I'm going with amazing, then I'm going to make it white, but you can use which color do you want, it doesn't matter. Then what you want to do is to click on it, and then you're going to go to effects and you're going to apply a hollow effect. What you want to do here is to decrease a little bit the thickness of it. Then after you did that, what you want to do is to click on add a new page. Then you're going to copy this text here on into the new page, but this time you're going to remove the effect, so let's do that. After you did that, what you want to do is to go between your two videos and you're going to click on add transition. Now you want to add a line wipe. Also you can change here the direction of it. As you can see, I'm going with left to right and I'm going to increase the duration so you can clearly see the transition. And as simple as this, you just made this amazing filling text effect in Canva PC. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.